Hi, it's Gem Hawks here. Now, it's not a tutorial today, but a bit of an unboxing. My gorgeous friend Fleur has a subscription service. Every month from Relax and Craft, she sends out so many gorgeous boxes of inspiration. So I actually don't know what's in this month's box, and I'm looking forward to sharing that with you. Basically, what you get is a kit of gorgeous materials to get creative. It's not always chainmail, it's not always wire wrapping, it's not always what you expect. What do you get with a Relax and Craft subscription? Well, you get tutored, you get materials, you get surprised, and you get pushed to do things that perhaps you wouldn't always do. So why don't we open up this month's box, have a look, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. I've known Fleur for very many years now, and she is a beautiful human being on the inside and the out, but she curates the most wonderful boxes of joy. So Relax and Craft is a subscription service based out of the United Kingdom, and I actually don't know what's inside this box. So what we're going to do is carefully I'm going to have to rip the tissue paper. That makes me kind of sad. Let's have a look and see. Well, this month's subscription service brings you treats. That sounds like fun. We have got components. I can see some beading wire, head pins, earring findings. We've even got some eyelets in there. That gives me a clue. There's some lovely shiny parrot clasps in there. There's a cup of tea. Now, that sounds good to me. Who doesn't love a cup of tea? Let's have a look in here, shall we? Opening up this month's box is as much a surprise as it always is. Unwrapping, tissue crinkling. Let's see what we've got in here. Oh, wow. Okay, this is beautiful and right up my street. So a strand of genuine gemstones. This is sometimes known as line jasper, sometimes known as spiderweb jasper. You might even know it by a different name. So you've got genuine gemstones. A lovely assortment of gift bags in lots of different colours. Aha! Now, I'm just going to tip these unceremoniously in. We have got clay. Now, this is a beautifully soft product. It's the Fimo Soft Clay. Now, I haven't worked with clay like this in about 12 years, so I'm looking forward to going on to the link that Fleur provides, checking out the tutorials that are attached to this box, and getting ready to be inspired by a wonderful group of makers who all lovingly share their crafts in a dedicated online group. There's more. I have no idea how this happens. Whoosh. Okay, so we have got all the kit and caboodle. I can see in here there are some round cutters. There's a little pot to store your clay in to keep it dry between makes. You've got a rolling pin. Let me flip this over. You've got a guide. You've got a frilled cutter. You've got what I imagine will be a flat surface. Now, this all looks very intriguing. As I mentioned before, I haven't worked with clay in years, and I am very much looking forward to delving into this subscription box from Fleur at Relax and Craft and making something that I haven't touched in a very, very long time. I'll perhaps add some makes up onto social media once I've had a play, but if you fancy finding out a little bit more, I've dropped a link down in the description of this video so that you can pop over to Fleur's site. She does wonderful chainmail kits with instructions. There's Joey saying hi and endorsing our lovely Fleur, and lots more beside. So why don't you check out the link below to head over to her website and see if there's something to find that you love, or if you fancy adding on a subscription to the wonderful monthly gift box.